La-da-da-da-dee. You're not breaking me.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be making a fault line cake. For those of you who don't know what that is, stay tuned towards the end of the video so you can see the end result for yourself. Alright, so let's get into the video. So I made a confetti cake with Nutella filling and fresh strawberries, and for the base I used a Swiss meringue buttercream. I know from my last video you guys were able to see the behind the scenes on how I made the cake, but I didn't explain into much detail on what I did. So in this video I want to explain how I stack and fill my cakes. First things first is I like to freeze my cakes in advance so it's easier to work with, but it's also easy to level off your cakes as well. So when you're ready to decorate, take your cakes out of the freezer 10 to 15 minutes beforehand and start leveling off your cakes. Once that is all done, then you could start adding your fillings and start stacking your cakes. Once you have gotten that all done and you feel like you're ready to go, then you're moving on to the crumb coat. A crumb coat is just to ensure that all your cake crumbs are in place and they won't be shown through your final coat. So like I said before, you're just going to repeat that same process all over again, and once you have crumb coated the cake, I would leave it in the fridge for 10 minutes and then you're going to take it out and you're going to add another layer of buttercream around the middle of the cake, and only the middle, and that's where we're going to add our sprinkles. But I don't want to get too ahead of myself, so I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of the video and I'll be back. Okay, I just wanted to explain this part right here. So what I'm doing is I'm adding icing to the top and bottom of my cake, but I'm making sure not to add any icing in the middle of the cake because you still want to see the sprinkles pop out. So this part was tricky, I'm not gonna lie, but if you use the offset spatula, I feel like it does work best and it does make the cake nice and smooth. So once you have it all smoothed out, then you could do whatever border you would like and you could design however you would like after that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really fun to make. Please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below on what cake video I should do next. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.